Hello friends, myself Sonali Rathod, working in Nilabudhi Polytechnic College in Computer Department. Today's our subject is data structure and the topic is one-dimensional array operation. In previous video, we learned insert element in one-dimensional array, different array operations, and the program on insert element. Now in this video, we learn delete element in one-dimensional array. So, this is the algorithm for delete element in one-dimensional array. Similarly to insert element, here is also those variables used in which insert element also used. So, our variables are a, p and n. X is right but it is not used. So, first variable is a for array, then p for position and n for the number of size of array. So first of all we take one array in which these values are stored. So for deleting the element, the reverse process is done just like for inserting the element in array. First of all, we look here, the first step is initialize. Initialize temp is equal to p. Temp is also used in our program. The main variables are a, p and n. So, first of all we take value of n is equal to 5. Suppose we will take 5. Then we take p is equal to 2. So, in this algo, we store our value of p in temp is equal to p. Okay. Then, second point is shift the element one position up. Create space for new element. Whenever we want to remove the element from the array, so we take one position up. In this second point, here is repeat while temp is equal to n minus 1. Means the condition of the loop is temp is equal to n minus 1. So our value of n is 5. So when our loop is stopped, when the value of temp become 4, because our n value is 5. So when our temp value become 4, then our loop will be stopped. Then what happen? Array of temp is equal to array of temp plus 1. We store temp's value is 2. So array of 2 is equal to array of temp plus 1 means array of 3. Okay. So the value of array of 3 having the value 13 which is stored in array of 2. Okay. So here the 24 is already stored in an index array of 2. Okay. So in this position 13 will be overlap on 24. Okay. So we can see only the value 13. Can't see 24. Okay. In this cell the what happened? Overlap will be done. Okay. So array of 3, 13 will be stored on index array of 2. After that the temp is temp plus 1. So what is the value of temp? That is 2. So 2 become 3. So now our value is array of 3 is equal to array of 4. Okay. Here temp is equal to temp plus 1. So 2 become 3. So array of 3 is equal to again array of temp plus 1. So 3 plus 1 it becomes 4. So array of 3 is equal to array of 4. So the array of 4's value is 23. That is stored in array of 3. The array of 3's value is already stored in array of 2. So this stack will be become empty. Then 23 will be stored in 30. So now array of 4 will be empty. Now here again temp is equal to temp plus 1. Array of temp will be 3. So the 3 become 4. Our condition is temp is equal to n minus 1. So this condition will be become complete. Now our loop will be stopped. Then next step is and decrement the size of array. Why we will decrement our size? Because last stack will be become empty. So n is equal to n minus 1. Then our new array is 45, 11, 13 and 23. Okay, so again here we will show how to write program using the algorithm. For algorithm, there is the first of all in program. First of all, we write our header file. After the writing the header file, we write void main. After void main, we will write our data types. Our data type is integer. Then our variables are array, which is a of 10. Then for position, I will take p. Then for the size of array, I will take n. Then for looping, I will use I. Then variable 10 for the storing the value of array temporary. Then I will insert the value of n. Here in data type, we only mention our variable n, not mention the value. So I will enter the value of n using cout and cin. Then I will take one static or dynamic array. If I want to take static array, then I will write here a of 10 is equal to value of array in curly bracket. If I want to enter dynamic array, so I will take here for loop for I is equal to 0, a of I is less than n, then I plus I is less than n, then I plus. Then cout enter the value of array, then cin a of I. After entering the array, we will print our array. Then we start our algorithm. In algorithm, first is initialize temp is equal to p. So we store our value of p in temp. Before it, we will I think here I not mention one step. Before we enter the value of p in temp, we must enter value of p in p. Okay, so we use cout, enter the position, then cin is p. Then we write temp is equal to p. Then second point is shift the element one position up, create space for new element. For that, repeat while temp is equal to n minus 1. So in while we will use that condition, then temp is equal to array of temp is equal to array of temp plus 1, then temp is equal to temp plus 1. Then we decrement our value of n, then we will print our final answer, then get ch. This is our program. So now we run our program in Turbo C++. So this is the program for deleting the element from the array. So I will take first a of 10 is equal to, this is our static values 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I will store in array A. Then I will take I and P and 10. Then I will enter the value of n. Then display the array. Cout. Here this loop is only for print our array. Then I will enter position P. Enter positions number you want to remove. So that is P. From the now this is from algorithm. First point is temp is equal to P. So I will store value of P in temp. Then the condition temp lesser equal to n minus 1. Then it will be stored temp plus 1's value in array of temp. Then temp plus 1 temp will be the increment. Then n will be decrement. Okay. Then I will display our answer. If you want to show using tracing, I will here take watch temp, temp's value, then array of temp, then a of I also I will write a of I, array of temp, and I will also write array of temp plus 1. Now here also one output window here. Now I will press our program function F8. Enter value of n, I will write 5, then enter, then again F8. Here value of array will be print, then enter which position number you want to remove. So I will write 3. Sorry, 1. I will write 1. Then F8, temp having value 1. P having value of P is 1, so temp having 1. Then array of temp is 12 and array of temp plus 1 is 13. Now array of temp having 13, then temp become 2. Temp of array of temp is 13, array of temp plus 1 is 14, will be stored. Temp is 4. See. Now our answer will be displayed here. I will write position 1. In the array of 1 there is 12. So before we removing the element, our array is 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And after the deleting the element, our array is 11, 13, 14 and 15. I will remove the number 12 which is on the position is 1. Okay. So I hope you all understand this program. So our set once all program will be done in our this all videos. So hope all of you understand. If you have any query, then you can ask me using comment also or on message also on WhatsApp. Thank you.